on NVIDIA, right, you're looking at, as long as it stays up above this 686.80. And remember, if you're in a good position, you still got the 2-minute EWO, right? It's just if you, depends on where you bought here, right? If you bought high on the candle or low on the candle, right? But otherwise, you're still golden. NVIDIA is staying up strong. Look at it. Now, Meta's just consolidating here. So if I had a bunch of contracts, I would get rid of some of them now. So what I'll do here, just because I want to show you guys why, how, when, I'll shave one more here. You see how it's getting heavy on the vine?
Yeah.
I'm shaving one here. Now listen, if you're in there so good, like let's say you've been in the 2-minute EWO since the gate, which is right here. You have no fear. This is still nothing. Stop worrying about the trade, right? So if you look at this on the 2-minute EWO, this would have been 50% right here. Maybe 20% here. If you wanted to, 20% here, and you're still rolling the rest of the day. You guys see it? And this one is questionable because if you got in at the right time, which is down here, you're still way up here. So again, if you get in at the right time with the right position sizes, nobody, and I repeat, nobody, Tesla new low a day, should be panicking, right? Not at all. To put it into perspective, I've made well over $2,000 on this trade with Meta. The only thing I have left is one call valued at $720 right now. This call could go to zero and it wouldn't affect me at all on the trade. The trade is still positive. Does that make sense, everybody?
Yes,
Yes,
coach,
sir.
that makes a lot of sense.
Yep. There's zero risk. I have zero risk. I've taken my money and I'm good and I can be comfortable in whatever I want. And I'm still in this one Meta call. So if this was my, now remember, I didn't get in on the 2-minute EWO. I was scalping, right? So mine was way different than if you guys are in a 2-minute. I was just scalping it, but kind of showing you the idea of my scalp. Same type of principle where I'm collecting as it moves in different areas, right? But you guys in the 2-minute EWO, you should still be fearless here. Do you hear me? And now look at Meta's about to make new high a day. See it? Look at that, right? All because we remained calm and we did what we're supposed to do. Now think about it. If you're in too big, you would have panicked, right? You would not have been able to hold, right? You would just be like shaking and freaking out and I don't know what to do and making bad decisions. If you trade the trade properly, everybody, it will work out for you, okay? It slows your mind. The mind obviously is the biggest thing that we have when we're trading. It's going to be our best friend or our worst enemy as a stock market trader, right?